We've been spending a ton of time here at home, so we saw everyone making Play-Doh, so we decided to do our own, but we realized that not every recipe out there is worth a shot. Some are a total fail, some are very sticky, and the consistency isn't compared to what we usually buy in stores. So I did find a recipe with the perfect consistency, and I have it here for you. And it's very quick and easy. The only ingredients you will need are 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water at a room temperature, 1/3 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil of any type, you can even use coconut oil, and food coloring of your choice. I have my pan cooking at a medium heat. First, I'm going to add my oil, then I'm adding all the dry ingredients, and last, I will add a cup of water. Mix everything well. And when water has been absorbed, remove it from your pan. Now be very careful because it will be very hot. After cooling, knead Play-Doh for a few minutes. Add your food coloring, knead Play-Doh, and you're done. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.